And welcome back. A key date in history for women in the armed services is coming up next month. June 12th marks Women's Veterans Day here in Texas with a signed proclamation from Governor Greg Abbott. Now, this recognizes the Women's Armed Services Integration Act signed by President Harry Truman back in 1948, allowing women to serve as regular members of the military.
Texas has the largest population of women veterans at over 190,000. And to give an idea on how big that is, the next highest states are California and Florida, with around 158,000 women veterans each. But they all do face various challenges after service.
And Dr. Krystle Matthews, Texas Veterans Commission Women's Veterans Program Director and an Army veteran herself, is here to explain how your office is really helping to tackle some of these issues. First of all, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. Yes, so our office tackles these issues by meeting the women veteran where they are when they contact us. We have women veterans that reach out for various reasons, and so we really meet the woman veteran wherever she is when she contacts us, whether that is helping her file her first VA claim or if that's getting her connected to other women veterans because she's missing out on some of that camaraderie.
And we know that you all report to the legislature each year about really the needs of women veterans. What are you preparing for next legislative session in terms of telling them the needs that women veterans are facing?
Yeah, so we're working on the Women Veterans Report right now, and I've had a couple town halls from the Women Veterans Program, as well as a survey that we're circulating to collect that information. But women veterans are stating that they need more assistance with entrepreneurship, employment, VA claims, and we do offer some of those services, or most of those services, from Texas Veterans Commission, so it's easy to get them connected with our services and to assist them. However, we always want to get the word straight from the women veterans of the state to see what it is that they need and how we can help.
And touching on that, women veterans have stated that they really could use assistance in things like health care and then financial assistance as well. What is it that your organization is able to do to help them along those lines?
So healthcare, we have a healthcare advocacy department. If they qualify for VA healthcare, our healthcare advocacy department can get them enrolled in VA healthcare, as well as provide resources if they don't qualify for VA healthcare. Another thing is just connecting them with our claims department if they're looking to file a claim to help with VA healthcare as well, to make them eligible for that.
And for you, because you're a veteran yourself, so what was a challenge for you that you faced that you were able to overcome that maybe your story can help inspire other women veterans?
I had a pretty smooth transition out of the military, but I will say that once I relocated to Texas, it was hard to find that network. And so for me, overcoming, how to connect with other women veterans here in the state of Texas, how to get connected with veteran service organizations that assist women veterans, it was a challenge. And so how I overcame that was I just got out and started connecting. And, I asked those questions, I showed up for those events and stayed connected with those organizations. And that enabled me to increase my network and also stay engaged and get that assistance and that camaraderie I was looking for as well.
So there's a statewide network where women and veterans meet on a regular basis. Tell us about that and how that helps.
So our statewide network is actually hosted on Mighty Bell, and it's virtual. We do connect on there daily. We provide a lot of information that's relevant to women veterans, women in general, and veterans in general. And out of that, we've also created a LinkedIn group where they can connect with us as well if they're looking to make professional connections. And so that we host a lot of events that we share for women veterans to say, hey, okay, I'm in this area. This is what's going on. Let me go out and meet and greet.
Okay, Dr. Krystle Matthews from the Texas Veterans Commission, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.